Hello, I'm Marcel. I'm a personal chef and here to inspire and support you with your diet, mentally and physically. In this video, I will be giving you 4 tips on how to actively change your programmed beliefs. The first thing that I need to mention before you can actually apply these tips into your life is that you need to understand your worth. You need to hold yourself high. And what I mean by that is not feeling inferior or better than other people. What I mean is feeling worthy and deserving of all the things that you desire in life. Because you are worthy and you deserve everything that you desire. So understanding your self-worth and realizing it within yourself is the basis of these 4 tips that I'm going to share with you. What you can do to change your programmed belief that you no longer wish to believe in is to change your diet, mentally and physically. And what I mean by diet is basically everything that you are taking into your system that eventually shapes your beliefs subconsciously and consciously. My first tip is at the same time also a question for you. What are you feeding your eyes with? What are you looking at? What are you watching? What are you observing? Stop watching news, movies or dramas or other things that keeps feeding your old belief system and start watching things that you like to resonate more with. You know, things that inspires you, that lifts you up, that feeds your passion and fills you with joy and energy. You could start catching up with your hobbies that you threw overboard long time ago. In order to find your true nature and potentials, you have to start following your light. And that means basically following your passion, doing things that you love doing and that you enjoy. Watch things that feeds your passion and look for role models who are already doing the things that you want to do or that you want to become and learn and get inspired by them. My second tip is also something that I want you to question yourself. What are you feeding your ears with? Stop listening to things that keeps feeding your old belief system through radio, music, or views and opinions of your surroundings that you no longer wish to pay attention to because it doesn't serve and feed your new belief system. Also pay attention how you communicate with other people. What kind of words do you choose to express yourself? Words have frequencies. So for example, if I tell you, get over it, or if I tell you, you will get better, I'm sending out complete different frequencies and you can feel the difference, can't you? Choose words that are kind and caring, and you know which words are right by just listening to your feelings. Work more with your feelings, not so much with your mind. Your feelings always will guide you through the heart, but your mind will always guide you through your conditioning or experiences, etc. The third tip is treasure your time and energy. Your time and energy are the most valuable thing in your life. Choose wisely and be very picky with whom you are sharing your time and energy with. Ask yourself, are these people that you are spending your time and energy with inspiring you, lifting you up, encouraging you? Basically, are they worth your time? Or are they draining your energy? Or are they pulling you down? Are they confusing you? And it's not about abandoning people in your life. It's about helping yourself to improve, to develop, to be better. And maybe one day you will be able to help and support them. But if you don't take care of yourself first, how can you help and support other people? You know, it always has to start from somewhere, and it's always your choice. So the fourth and last tip is, what do you actually eat? Eat with compassion. Eating with compassion means caring for our environment, for our planet, for every living being on this earth, and for yourself. Everything we take in is information. Ask yourself, how did the food grow that you are about to eat? Because that is the information and energy you are giving yourself. I have already made a video about high and low vibration food. If you are interested in that, you can find the links down below. Understand your food. You are making a huge positive contribution to the world by just choosing with awareness. This will purify your system, and it will also be easier for you to transition into a new life. You know, everything you do matters on a high scale without even noticing it. So be mindful and take responsibility for your actions. Be careful about what you are letting into your system, because it will feed you, unconsciously or consciously. Always ask yourself, is what I'm going to watch, hear, spend my time with, or eat going to support and serve my goals or not? These are my 4 tips on how you can actively change your beliefs. It has worked for me, and I'm certain it will work for you too. You just have to be clear about your goals and be consistent in your actions. Once you're clear and dedicated about your new belief system, you will find that things are starting to fall into place. Like people start disappearing in your life, and new people are starting to show up that are resonating with your new exciting life journey. That's why I find that it is much more important to be clear about your goals and intentions, most of all. If your intentions are pure and of benefits for us all, then it is much more powerful. Enjoy the beauty of becoming, because life is happening along the journey and not when you have reached your destination or goal. You know, if you were all enlightened already and in the bliss of life, there wouldn't be much to experience anymore. And that is what life is all about. We are here to learn and to make new experiences. And it's always your choice how you want to enjoy the journey of life. I am sending you lots of love and joy, and I'm looking forward to see you on my next video.